Yo, what's going on, everybody? Today we are talking cloud computing and how you can learn it. So today, before I begin, I need to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by SkillSoft. As with any sponsored video that I do, I will not talk about any company unless I 100% believe in them. And SkillSoft is definitely a company that I believe in. I use them, I like them, and I love the way that their content is delivered. So let's get into this video and talk about cloud computing. Before we really get into the nitty-gritty of this video, SkillSoft introduced a new learning platform called Percipio. And this by far, I think, blows everything else out of the water. The way that their content is delivered is outstanding. They really did a good job of redesigning this platform because it's really like one click into one of these videos and you're learning, which is really, really nice. And the way that they kind of lay everything out is fantastic. And I'm going to show you on my screen right now. If you click on library, you basically can pick whatever you want and start your path. And even, you browse certifications, which is really nice because they offer, a plethora of certifications here. But anyway, if we click on library and we go to cloud services, you are going to get the option of cloud core concepts, cloud development, cloud platforms, cloud security, and IoT, Internet of Things. What I really like about the way that this is laid out right here, it kind of takes you right here from the beginning. You have your cloud core concepts, which is really nice because it really gives you the concepts of what you need to be learning about the cloud. Now, the cloud is one of the biggest areas in IT right now, and it's growing. More businesses every day are starting to migrate to cloud services because you can host pretty much everything off site, which is really nice because a lot of these cloud companies will help manage all of the servers and some of the different applications and things like that. So it's really nice to have this knowledge of how, the cloud is set up, what the cloud is going to do for you, and then of course how to manage it. There are a few different cloud services out there like Azure from Microsoft and AWS from Amazon. And if we go over here and we click in cloud development, they give you options for each one of those services. So they have Amazon Web Services development and Azure development. Those are two of the biggest cloud services out there. If we go ahead and click on cloud platforms, again, it opens us up even more into, AWS and Azure. And of course, you got Cisco Cloud, Citrix, Office 365 administration, which that is a big one right there. And of course, Windows virtualization, VM platforms, and VMware is huge. If you guys are looking into the cloud and you want to learn more about it, I think SkillSoft really delivered here. I mean, they have everything laid out really nice and convenient for you. I actually started going over the Cloud Core Concepts course, and I've enjoyed so far everything that I've learned from it. And here's something that's really, really nice about this is that I can speed things up because I tend to learn very quickly. So if I speed it up, I can make this process go a little bit faster. And of course, again, SkillSoft really delivering with the test option here. So once you're done with a course, you go through all the videos, take the test afterwards and see where you stand, see if you are actually learning what you need to be. And if you're not, you can go back and kind of, go into those areas that you need to learn more about. Just to summarize here, the way that they deliver this content is outstanding. It's extremely easy to use. And if you look at it and you say, for instance, you go into cloud platforms, this is like Netflix. I mean, it's like literally just like Netflix in its own way here. So once you click on one of these different areas, say Citrix, for instance, it's gonna give you the different episodes and you can click through and go and learn what you want. So I've probably watched about half of the moving to the cloud videos, which is really nice because here it's, they're showing you why you would move to the cloud and how you would move to the cloud and what's important about that for every business. They offer a lot more videos within the cloud core concepts so you really can understand what you need to know about the cloud. So another great thing that SkillSoft offers now is their ELSA, which is their learning assistant. That's a browser plugin. So as you're going throughout your day, you can pretty much get right into a SkillSoft video just from the browser plugin, which is really, really nice. Again, if you guys are looking to get into cloud services, here's the perfect platform for you guys to use. I mean, each video is laid out and structured, so you're going step by step and learning and absorbing everything that you need to. And of course, you take that test, see where you stand, and go over it again if you need to. But this is getting you prepared to get into the cloud, and they also can get you prepared to get that AWS certification or an Azure certification if that's what you're looking to get into. But again, I've been using SkillSoft now for quite a while. I have no complaints. I really, really enjoy what they're doing. And since they launched the Percipio platform, it's going to be even better than it was before. Like I said, it's like Netflix. It's so easy to use and get into some of the videos, where some other platforms, it's a little bit convoluted and kind of hard to see your progress, see where you're at, see how to get to another episode, or just go back over things. You know, they've really delivered right here with Percipio. So if you guys are looking to learn, which I strongly suggest that you guys look into the cloud, because it is one of the fastest growing fields in IT, and we need more people who are experts in the cloud. So go ahead and look into this. There's a link in the description below, and you guys can get a free trial for Percipio from SkillSoft, and let me know what you guys think of it. You know, give me some feedback, because I'd love to hear about it. As always, take it easy.